Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay and I run Maggie Lou Crocheting. Welcome to my series of videos where I show you crocheting basics and some tips and tricks to help you with your crocheting skills. In this series we will cover slip knots, how to hold your yarn in your hook, different crochet stitches, the difference between UK and US stitches, what are magic rings and how to do them, how to read patterns, and then lots of other tips and tricks for you. In this video we will look at slip knots. Now when it comes to slip knots there are lots of different ways to do this. In this video I will be showing you two different methods. The first method is without a crochet hook and the second method is with a crochet hook. So let's move on to the first method. This one is without the crochet hook. So I'm just going to place my hook to the side for now. And I'm just going to unravel some of my yarn. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the yarn tail and we're going to wrap it round our left finger, for those of you who are right-handed, round your left finger twice. So we grab it, go 1, 2. Now you can see I've got 2 on my finger. And what we're going to do, we're going to grab the first loop, pull it right over our finger, twist it slightly, put our thumb and finger through the loop, and we're going to grab our second one and just pull. As you can see, as I'm pulling, it's coming off my finger and you can see it's tying up there, and we're just going to pull our 2 hands away from one another. Now you can see it's created a knot, and if I pull on the yarn end, our knot is getting smaller. I'll repeat that a few times just for you to get the hang of it. So we have our yarn end, wrap around your finger twice. Sometimes it helps to hold it at the bottom here. Grab your first bit, twist, finger and thumb, through and pull, and tighten up. Do that one more time. Yarn end, 1, 2, hold, grab this first one, round, twist, grab. Next we are going to move on to method 2, which is using a hook. So I have my crochet hook here and then I have my yarn. So I'm just going to make a loop by taking the yarn end and tucking it underneath the other part. So we have a loop here. Next you're going to take your hook and with the curved end facing down, you're going to go into your loop, and then you're going to hook onto this bit of yarn here, and you're going to pull it through the loop like so, and just hold on to the both ends with your left hand, just keep pulling, and there's your slip knot, and you can tighten that up then. I'll do that again. So we create a loop, hook facing down, through your loop, hook onto the yarn and pull. And one more. Your loop, hook in, grab your thread and pull. Once you've done this, you're then able to start crocheting. You can use either method when it comes to doing a slip knot. For me, the first method that we went through without a crochet hook is the easiest. For others, it's easier using the hook. It is entirely whatever you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching the video. Follow along the series on YouTube. Also, if you want to like and follow our social media pages, we have Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. And if you're interested in buying any of the products, please go to our website maggieloucrocheting.com or our Etsy page, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!